Hello there again, welcome to my channel. I just went into the garden just to check the plants, and I saw loads and loads of wasps. Not proper wasps, a different type of wasps hovering around the Avalon peach tree. And I thought, why are they hovering around it? And I checked the leaves to see if there is any damage to the leaves. There's no damage to the leaves, but the leaves tend to be a little bit sticky. So I'm thinking, well, the plant must be throwing out a lot of sugar. So it must be me using a different type of fertilizers. And the plant actually looks beautiful, but the leaves are getting a little bit sticky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try an experiment and use a mixture of concoction to spray it. And that is good for the plant, and also probably eradicate the insects that are on it. So the ingredients I'm going to use is this one here is called disease control. It's for fungus. Here, if I put it up there, you probably can see it. Now, the ingredients I use are 95% organic. Now, there's no way you can eradicate all the diseases by using a 100% organic. It's impossible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try this method. So I'm going to use 2 spoonfuls of that. That will get rid of any fungus on there. But then I'm going to use 2 spoonfuls of washing up liquid, or let's say 3 spoonfuls. So let's put 3 spoonfuls in there. Then 3 spoonfuls of vegetable oil. For it to stick it onto the leaves or any part of the plant. Then let's use a neem oil. One, 2, 3 spoonfuls of neem oil. Bicarbonated soda. Let's have a go at that. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to use this systematic insecticizer. Now I'm just going to use 1 spoonful of that. That's it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fill it up and go and spray the tree. Here is the Avalon peach. It's looking quite healthy. No peach leaf curls or nothing. And this is the 7th of August 2023, as you can see. Still got new growth coming out of it. But I don't know if you can see these little wasps. Can you see them? They're everywhere. And when you touch the leaf, some part of it are sticky. Let's have a look. Could be eggs there. Here we are. Hundreds of wasps. Probably the tree is throwing out some sort of sugar. So here is the mixture prepared. So before you use it, shake it, and as soon as the air comes out, before you pump it, shake it up again, then pump it, and then use it, so and so. So I'm going to spray this tree now. I hope this would come helpful, and I should do a result of it the next couple of days. So it should take about a couple of days for it to have effect. Give it a good soak all over on top, and then see if you can get it all the way inside underneath. As you can see, I gave it a good soak, and I've done that one as well, the satin peach. So the apricot, this apricot as well, and cherry tree, and the other one as well. So I gave them a good soak in. And see what happens. Still looking really nice. No peach leaf curl or nothing. Some people getting a lot of problems with their peach trees. They're getting a peach leaf curl, and they're losing their trees. If you watch my couple of videos I've done on a peach, how to grow peaches, it's got it on there what to feed the peaches, how to look after the peaches. I had a lovely crop of peaches, giant satin peaches this year. 8th of August 2023. I sprayed this peach last night and just come out to check it, see if there any damage incurred from that spray, my concoction, and apparently not, and the tree is still looking very, very healthy. Look at the size of them leaves and how lush green this tree is, and I can't see any wasps left on this. Same goes with this satin peach. No leaf curl or nothing, and it's still growing. I pruned this about a month ago, and this one finished fruiting, and I had a lovely crop, giant, massive big satin peaches, and I've done a video of that if you want to watch that, and that's looking very healthy indeed. Look at the size of them leaves, very healthy. If you want to know how to grow peaches in your garden, have a look at my other videos. And here is another one here, a dwarf clementine. Look how healthy that is. And I'll spray this as well. Still got a lot of new growth coming out of it. Yeah, so if you want to know how to grow peaches in your garden, have a look at my other video. Thank you for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe.